how to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and just click on this account section and just select this option called help and feedback. Since you cannot directly select any method to directly transfer your Google Play Store balance to another account, so we have to go through this process over here. And from over here, just click on search once you're inside here and search in for Google Play balance, just like this. So once you search in for that, wait for a few seconds, and now you scroll down and click on this contact us button over here. So once you select this option, here you will have to describe what happens. So you just need to select Google Play balance or type in that following, and just for the description, select the issue with the play balance since we are facing that, and just select a specific area where do you need to support. And once you do that, just click on next step, and from over here just click on next step once again and click on this community. If you don't get direct Gmail button or chat button, you just need to click on this community, which will take you to this page. And once again inside here, now you just have to describe your issue in details, and by selecting like the categories about Play, Google Play, purchase and payment, and you're selecting your platform where you are facing the issue. So once you select all of this, just describe your issue just like this by saying such things, and just click on next and just click on post. Once they verify your chat, this will be helping you to fix your issue. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.